Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds SOUNDCORE SPORT X20. And let's get started with open the application. And the first trick that these earbuds have ANC, so you can enable it in the application or by a gesture, and you can modify it. Right here we have two modes, adaptive and manual. And you can choose something good for you. If you don't need noise cancellation, or if you met someone and you wanna speak with him, you don't need to remove your earbuds. You just enable transparency mode and you just speak. Also, transparency mode have some option. You can enable fully transparent or vocal mode. It's up to you. And also, you can, if you use one of this mode, not normal, you can enable wind noise reduction, and if you swap to another mode it will also be here, but you can't use this mode in the normal. Next one, you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer browser, and right here we have presets for it, and if you click on the more we have more presets. And next one, 3D surround sound. It's you also enable it in the application, and I guess it will improve your listening experience. Next one, these earbuds support dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your headphones. If you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily fix it by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that press and hold this button at the charging case for at least 10 seconds. And also you don't need to use your phone when you listen to music or watching a movie. You can use a gesture, and right here in the application you can also customize the gestures. I already did it. I make something good for myself. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!